Welcome back to Harry's Tech everyone, and today we have some new leaks from Ice Universe, who says the iPhone 13 Pro Max will have a 4,352 mAh battery and will definitely use 120Hz display, but you can use it in 60Hz and battery life will be like a beast, because obviously the 120Hz will use lots of battery. But now on to the next Ice Universe leak for the Snapdragon 895, or the next flagship chip, whatever it will be called. The Lenovo executive confirmed that the Qualcomm SM8450 or Snapdragon 895 will use TSMC's 4nm process, which is good news for most of Android phone brands. Meaning most probably means Samsung, because they use Exynos. And you can see here we have this was part of his leak. He had some images of the specs of the processor. So he's using a 4nm process, an ARM Cortex V9 Cryo 780 CPU, and the first Adreno 7 series on a Snapdragon, the 730 GPU, which we haven't seen, which would be absolutely great. The new Spectra 680 ISP and an X65 5G modem. But anyway, that's pretty much all the news we have for today. If you did, leave a like, comment and subscribe. If you didn't like the video, hit the thumbs down twice, and I'll see you in the next one.